Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting crypto tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send USDT from MetaMask to Crypto.com in 2025. If you're looking to move your USDT seamlessly between wallets, this guide is perfect for you. With crypto evolving fast, let's make sure you're up to speed on the latest steps. First things first, why do this? Sending USDT to Crypto.com allows you to trade, stake, or withdraw to your bank easily. It's a smart move for managing your digital assets. Alright, let's jump in. Step 1. Make sure you have the MetaMask app or extension installed on your device and that it's updated to the 2025 version for optimal security. Log in and double-check that your USDT is in your MetaMask wallet. Remember, USDT is typically on the Ethereum network, so ensure that's selected. Next, head over to your Crypto.com app or website. Go to your wallet section and find your USDT deposit address. Copy this address carefully. It's like your crypto's home address, and one wrong digit could send your funds astray. Pro tip: always verify the network matches, usually Ethereum for USDT. Now, back in MetaMask, click on the USDT token in your assets. Hit Send, and paste the Crypto.com address into the recipient field. Enter the amount you want to send, but don't forget to leave some ETH for gas fees. That's the fuel for your transaction. Review everything twice, then confirm the send. Once you hit send, you'll see a confirmation screen. Approve the transaction, and wait for it to process. In 2025, with faster networks, this should take just a minute or two. Keep an eye on your Crypto.com account to confirm the arrival. If anything goes wrong, like a failed transaction, check for common issues like insufficient gas or wrong networks. And there you have it. Your USDT is now on Crypto.com. This process is straightforward, but always prioritize security by using hardware wallets for larger amounts. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips. Let's keep building that crypto knowledge together. Thanks for watching.